Hey guys, welcome to Vision Shares, and today's video is going to be about the pricing of Upstox. I hope you like this video. Please watch the video in its entirety. अभी Upstox का जो investment platform है, the pricing policy that is used by Upstox, I'm going to be explaining the breakage of each cost that is included when you're buying and selling your stocks. Now, I won't be going each one by one because you will need to understand what is the meaning of it. So I will directly tell you the cost of each breakage and tell you what is the total cost that you're actually incurring when you're buying stocks and selling them. Now, as you can see here on the screen, I have calculated all the prices. I took the purchase price as 1000, the sale price as 1100. So the profit will be 100 rupees. Now, these charges that are seen on the screen is not calculated on the profit, but it is calculated on the purchase price and it is calculated on the sale price. Hence, I have made a column for buy and sell separately. अभी intraday का charges अलग रहता है और delivery के charges अलग रहते हैं, so I separated that as well. Now, as you can see on intraday, the total cost for buy is 0.66081. And the total cost for intraday on sell is 0.95, which totals to the 1.61663. So if you're selling and buying stocks on an intraday basis, the total cost that you will be paying is 1.61 approximately. So जो बचेगा उसमें से, so out of 100 rupees profit, 1.6 will be taken by Upstox as taxes, charges, brokerage, whatever it is. The same thing if you're doing on a delivery basis, that is not on intraday basis, the cost would come down to 24 for buy and 24 for sell. Now you must be wondering why there's such a big difference. This is because of the brokerage charges that Upstox is taking from you. If you see on intraday, the brokerage is 20 rupees 20 or 0.05% of the purchase price or sell price, whichever is lower. Matlab, when you're buying or selling, they will see whether rupees 20 is lower or whether the 0.05% of the value that you bought or sold is lower. इस केस में you can see that rupees 0.5, which is calculated by 0.05% into 1000, so 0.5 निकला है for buy, and 0.5% into 1100, 0.55 निकला है. So that is lower and they have taken that into the column. Now the same for delivery is said rupees 20 or 2.5%. Now 2.5% is actually very big, so 2.5% into 1000, which is 25 rupees actually, but since 20 is lower, they have taken 20 rupees in the column. And the same for sell, rupees 20 or 2.5%, whichever is lower. So 2.5% into 1100 is higher than rupees 20. So rupees 20, which is lower, has been taken into the column. So total comes down to 24.79 and 24.64. Now you must be wondering, if you add 24 and 24, why is it coming at 71? Now on delivery, they also put, there is a charges called depository participant charges. These charges is when you're buying a stock of a certain company. The first time when you're buying those shares of that particular company, they charge you depository participant charges, which is 18.5 rupees plus GST, which comes to 21.83. So that 71 rupees that you can see in the lower bottom is inclusive of 21.83. So the actual cost is 24.79 plus 24.64 plus 21.83. Now, as per the pricing policy, this depository participant charges is only applicable for delivery trades and not for intraday trades. Hence, the intraday trades charges is very low. All in all, this is the video. You can screenshot this pricing charges. You can understand what is happening actually. If you want to go into the depth, you can understand what is STT charges, what is exchange transaction charges, what is SEBI turnover charges, what is the stamp duty, and they are also charging GST on those transaction charges and brokerage. So you can go into detail by pausing this video and just reading what it is, or you can screenshot it and use it for further usage. But the good thing is that when I had checked some months ago, there was account opening charges, which was a one-time payment, and they also had kept an account maintenance charges. But now when I checked some days before, they actually removed it and made it nil. So account opening charges, they have made it nil for demat account and trading account opening, whereas account maintenance charges, they have made it nil only for the accounts that are opened after August 2021. So if you have opened an account before August 2021, you will be still paying your maintenance charges annually. So that is it. This is the video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, your family. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment all your thoughts. I will be coming out with a new video where I will be talking about the Zerodha's pricing policy.